Hey guys. Hey guys. That's enough. Always disrupting production. You're so disruptive to production, you know that? Young lady. Do you know that? Hello, and welcome to another episode of Cookin Time. My name is Jake Boyd, and I'm the Adult Programming Librarian at Sterling Municipal Library. And today, we're going to be making Chipotle smashed sweet potatoes from Ina Garten's Cooking for Jeffrey. I have always had mixed feelings about Ina Garten because, you know, she always just trying to tell people to live their life fabulously. Sometimes I think her tastes are maybe a little too highbrow for me. She says to cook with your good olive oil. Don't cook with your good olive oil. That's for dressings and stuff. But anyway, I digress. I've got here 6 sweet potatoes. They've been in the oven at 350 for about an hour and 15 minutes. I just waited a second to let them cool off, then peeled them and plopped them right into my KitchenAid. All right, so what I've got going on here, I went ahead and I poured 1 cup of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream in here. And now I'm gonna get some chipotles and adobo in here. I love these sweet potatoes because, you know, where I'm from in Ohio, sweet potatoes are essentially dessert. You know, do the whole thing with the marshmallows and all that good stuff. I'm gonna do them her way for the most part, and then I'm just gonna make them, you know, a little extra Texan by adding some of these roasted pecans. All right, so what we're gonna do here, we've combined that whole milk and the heavy cream, and then I put 1 chipotle chili in the adobo sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of the adobo sauce, and we're just gonna bring that to a boil very quickly. All right, now we are at a boil, and we are preventing a boil over. All right, we're at a boil. So we're gonna reduce the heat by quite a lot. And then we're gonna put this back on, just let it simmer for about 5 minutes. I really like this cookbook. The one thing that's in it that's my favorite is probably the macaroni and cheese. It's a grown-up mac and cheese. It has some cauliflower in it. So you can kind of convince yourself like, oh, I'm eating a vegetable, but it is mac and cheese at the end of the day. Okay, cool. 5 minutes at a gentle simmer. Simmer. Okay, my 5 minutes are up, so we're ready to start. What we're gonna do now is mix this milk and chipotle mixture together, and then we're gonna put it in with these taters. All right, very careful because that's hot. Beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna start on very low speed. I don't wanna get boiling milk all over myself, but I might do it anyway. Oh, good now. Beautiful, and all we need is like a rough puree. We're not going for perfectly even mashed potatoes right now. All right, then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Get the real thing for this one. I actually, on my pancakes, I like fake maple syrup, but for this, get the real thing. Okay, and then we're gonna do 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna split them up a little bit. 2, 3, and 4, maybe a little extra there just to be careful. Oh, and then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. Just a pinch extra. All right, and now we're gonna blend. Now that I've got a little bit more of a consistent mixture, I can up the speed if you're wanting something a little bit more pureed. All right. That's looking just about ready to me. Oh! That's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot, little dog. My dog gets to eat what I drop. Okay. Okay, now it's just time to transfer this into this container. It's gonna go, I left the oven on at 350. It's gonna go right back in for another 30 minutes. Wow. Oh, these look so fabulous. All right. Ooh, so beautiful. And you know what? Because it's Texas, I'm gonna throw some of these pecans on top. Because I like a little crunch in there. Ina doesn't say to do this, but why not? That'll work. Okay. And now it's gonna go into the oven for 30 minutes. All right, see y'all in 30 minutes. Okay, my 30 minutes are up. It's starting to smell pretty good. Oh. Beautiful. All right, and this is a perfect side for any fall potlucks you're going to. I was in the fall mood, so I wanted to make something bright orange. I hope y'all give it a shot. And just remember that Cooking for Jeffrey is available for checkout at Sterling Municipal Library. Thank you so much, and I hope you'll join us next time.